Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 20th video in wxPython GUI Application Development. In the previous video we have learned about status bar in wxPython. In this video I want to show you how you can create text controls in wxPython. Basically there are different kind of text controls in wxPython. We have password text control, we have multi-line text control, we have read only. So we can I'm going to show you one by one. So I have created a new Python file and I'm going to copy my window code and paste it in here. Just change the title to the text control. So now I have my window. First I'm going to create a password text control. So for this I want to make a text control variable wx.text control like this, and it needs some parameters. The first one is self and the second one is the style. This is important. So for the style there are different styles. For this I'm going to take wx.te_password like this, and now if I run this, you can see now I have a password text control. You can see now this is a password. We have ... like this. Okay, now another one is let me comment this. Another one that I'm going to show you, that is multi-line text control. So I'm going to make another text control wx.text control self, and the style is wx.te_multi-line. Now if I run this, you can see we have a multi-line text control. Now you can write like this in multi-lines. So another one is read only. You cannot write in read only. Let me show you. Read only control. wx.text control and self, and the style is wx.te_read only. So now let me run this. Now you can see we have a text control in here, but we cannot write in here. You can see we have a mouse cursor, but I cannot write in there. So this was 3, the third one. And also for the multi-line you can give width, you can give width and height. Let me just copy this again and paste it in here and uncomment for this. Now in here before style you can give size. I want the size 200 by 100. Now let me run this. Now you can see I have a bigger text control. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know and I will add the source code to the video description. Please like and share the video and also subscribe to the channel.